What is up, guys? I am super sore after workouts, but I don't care. I'm doing some fishing on this fine June day. But I bought some new baits from Gander Mountain, which you just saw, that is closing. And I'm going to also be fishing with a subscriber today. He's local, so I'm like, why not? Let's go fishing with him. So we're going to try that. And those new baits I bought, we're going to see if we can catch some Ohio LMVs. Let's get it. So this is a private pond, guys, and basically what I'm here with my grandpa and the subscriber is coming. His name's Kyle. He's cool. It's a weedless pond. There's lilies, so I'm gonna try this frog out, see how this works. The fish I know are in here. I just have to get them today. And there's Grandpa. What's up, Grandpa? Let's see. So my frog is out in the water. I'm working him. Ah! He got off. I had a hit. Wasn't paying attention. I helped Grandpa out real quick. Stopped for a power break. So I get Grandpa worms and stuff. Oh, stuff's good. Gotta record Kyle. What's up, dude?
Stratic 3000 FI.
What?
Limited edition.
Got the good stuff.
Yo,
Oh,
G Loomis. And the funny thing is, someone threw this on the side of the road.
Dude, look at that. That is awesome. Oh, oh. See, I can't. My total walleye that I've caught in my life is probably. Dang, it's probably like close. From when I was younger, close to 200 walleye.
Pike before?
Oh, have I caught a pike before?
Oh, shoot. Never mind.
Bruh. So I'm borrowing Kyle's bait caster. I'm gonna have to get me one of these. This is so nice. Got one. Oh, I'm loosening the drag. Oh God. I'm loosening the drag, dude.
Oh, that's a decent one.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh, a good thing my GoPro turned on right away. You got him on a chatter?
Yeah.
Alright, then I'm not afraid to grab him. Bluegills are awesome.
Dude, what the heck? It's like a 20-foot drop. Get him, land him. Here we go, Kyle.
Hey, there you go, Mike.
Thank you. So
You
yeah.
want to get on my video?
Oh yeah, for sure. All right. Not a bad fish. Just took it on that chatterbait. All right, let's release this guy. Slow-mo.
See you later, dude. What baits?
Spy baits.
What are those?
You know what spy baits are? I got like 3 in my mystery tackle box. The old whip. Bye, Grandpa. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm here with my friend Kyle, and this is actually the first time I've met Kyle. He subscribes to my YouTube channel, which is pretty cool. And yeah, at the beginning, he's like one of the OGs. Okay, guys, so I'm at a pond now. When I'm pond fishing, I like to keep it to a minimum. I like to have one rod, although having lots of rods is nice. Bringing it's just a hassle for me carrying it. So I like to have one rod, make sure it's a 2-piece, like this, and braid, of course, and like 6 feet 6, 7 foot, medium heavy is what you really want. I have a waterproof tackle box right here, which has different assortments of baits like poppers, crankbaits, frogs, spinner baits, hooks, weights, spy baits, chatter baits. So that's like what I like to do when I'm pond fishing, like the stuff I like to bring. One bag, Gatorade and such. Yeah. Hey, dude, this is perfect for some GoPro action in the water. Do you ever do that? I love my GoPro in the water. Ooh, that was my fault, 150%. And he caught a fish on the Senko. That's what's up. Oh, there's another one.
Not getting skunked today.
Yeah, nope, no skunked. No getting skunked today. We have to do the slow-mo release with the GoPro. Whoa! That's insane. I got that on camera. I'm on with another dink.
You got Bassmaster mic hooked up?
Oh, he's jumping! He hit that jig. My GoPro's about to die. Crap. Get it now. Number 2!
Oh, he choked the jig too.
Yeah. Release this on the big camera. Nice bass. So Kyle hooked up with another 2 and 2 today. Not bad. It's a decent. Yeah, it's a decent. Oh man, that's a decent guy.
There goes $1.
Yeah, Gary Yamamoto would be like.
He'll be like, just buy some more.
Yeah. Okay. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go.
You got
Bassmaster Mike up here.
Bassmaster Mike trolling his crankbait down the bank.
Oh yeah.
Just pulled in a nice 1-pounder.
Yeah, there we go. It's not a bad guy. There we go, guys. That's number 5.
Oh, there he is.
Hey, there we go. Hey, good job, Kyle. Oh, but a bite's a bite. A bite is a bite. Oh yeah.
Pretty bad.
Yeah, just toss him in. We had an exciting excursion. I caught 2 of mine on a swim jig, Strike King and like a Gander Mountain trailer, and another one on a chatterbait. And Kyle, would you catch yours on?
Didn't I get one on a swim jig? And
Yeah, swim
the
jig.
rest on a worm.
Nice little pond to fish. The primary target to find the bass were the bluegill beds, of course. And guys, that is all for today. Thanks for coming out and fishing with me, Kyle. I hope you had a good one, my son. But I will see you guys next time. I'm Bassmaster Mike. Peace, baby. Peace.